New guidelines are emerging today for people that are fully vaccinated against COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention say indoor small gatherings of people that are fully vaccinated are allowed. The CDC says those people should still wear a mask in public. These recommendations come after North Carolina begins to vaccinate frontline essential workers. And starting today, the Alamance County Health Department will be vaccinating all essential employees in Group 3, which includes student workers. Elon senior Caleb Axworthy, who works for Campus Recreation and Wellness, drove nearly 2 hours to get his vaccine at a Fayetteville Walgreens. He says it was the closest location he could find when booking his appointment for last Friday.
I wanted to get vaccinated as soon as possible, and it was only like an hour 45 there, hour 45 back, which isn't great, but I had nothing else going on, so it was worth it, I'd say.
Axworthy says he was a little tired the day after receiving his vaccine, but now feels great.
If you're still struggling to book a vaccine appointment, it might get easier soon. A mass vaccination center run by the state and supported by the federal government is opening Wednesday in Greensboro at the Four Seasons Town Center, a half hour from campus. North Carolina will receive an additional 168,000 vaccine doses for the vaccination center. North Carolina Emergency Management spokesperson Keith Acree says additional satellite locations will also be set up in surrounding counties to help vaccinate all communities.
Is really to get vaccine out into some of the underserved communities where people live that might be hesitant to get a vaccine. If they can get a vaccine at a clinic that's just down the street for them, or maybe like at their church or at an organization they trust, then I think they're much more likely to go get it.
Between the main vaccination site and satellite locations across the triad, Acree says they hope to administer 3,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine a day, at least for the next 6 weeks. To book an appointment, visit gsommassvax.org.